For Capstone 1, I chose Sonoma, California. I chose Sonoma, California to talk about droughts and wildfires. California just recently had a very bad and destructive fire season. The threat is that these fires are dangerous to both humans, wildlife, and ecosystems. The cause of these wildfires are both human and natural causes. Climate change has had an effect on the increased wildfires in Sonoma, California. Sonoma is at high risk due to the fact that it is in the western United States, where forest fires have doubled over time. Large fires have increased in the western United States and Alaska since the 1980s. This was by USGRCP 2017. Sonoma is also a very vulnerable place because they receive little rainfall. The warmer, drier conditions in Sonoma, California have increased the fuel flammability. Specifically, the wine industry has been affected tremendously by these wildfires. California's 2020 wildfire season will be remembered not only for its destruction of wineries, homes, and vineyards, but also for another lasting impact, the unprecedented number of California wineries. This was by Mobley 2020. The fires have destroyed so many fields that wine production now will be minimized, and for some wineries, wine will be able to be produced at all from the damage of this fire. Due to wildlife smoke, to make far less wine than usual, or in some cases, to make no wine at all. Mobley 2020. This is devastating for the area because the wine industry is a big source of income that will not only be functioning fully, but not at all in some cases. The forecasts for the environmental change are that it depends on how the ecosystem properties will vary and how climate change will cross the United States. The forecasted impacts on the community in Sonoma is that the temperatures will continue rising and land will continue to be dry. Fires are going to continue and the severity is unknown. In order to make a good prediction of forecast, though, you need to know the current state of the atmosphere. 2013. People of the community can help by reporting unattended fires, using caution with flammable liquids, and paying attention to the local ordinances on burning. With wildfires being an increasing issue in Sonoma, California, citizens are going to have to step up and do their part in order to help. The solution to the wildfires and dry conditions is not a clear-cut solution because it is unpredictable. We are unsure of what the climate and ecosystems will do. However, part of the solution is citizens having to become responsible to help out where they can. As far as wineries go in the area, it will take time to rebuild and recover from the damages these fires have caused. Overall, California, specifically Sonoma, California, has had huge wildfire threats and has been suffering for years, and they are becoming more severe. Although wildfires can be naturally caused, people need to do their best efforts to stop feeding the fires and protect the earth. Their communities are forecast the best they can.